Most clinicians use the miracle question, but they stop too soon, and it limits how much change their clients actually make. Let me show you a simple way to take it further and make it far more effective. Today, I want to show you how to take the miracle question from solution-focused therapy and integrate it with the ABC model from Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy. The shift is simple, but it changes how clients learn from what they do. Let's say we're working with a client who is depressed and is withdrawn, isolated, disengaged. We ask the miracle question. Suppose tonight, while you're asleep, a miracle happens and your depression is gone. When you wake up tomorrow, what would be the first signs that things are different? They might say, I'd get out of bed right away. I'd go for a walk. I'd reach out to a friend. Those are not just ideas. Those are adaptive behaviors. So instead of analyzing right away, we say, let's try one of those this week. I'll go for a walk. Next session, I did it, and it actually felt a little better. Now, this is where many clinicians move. However, instead ask, if you were able to do that, what were you telling yourself that helped you do it? Now we're moving from behavior to belief. They might say, maybe it wouldn't be as bad as I thought. I don't have to feel motivated to do it. Even a small step counts. Now we've uncovered something critical, the beliefs that made the behavior possible. At this point, we introduce the ABC model. The activating event is waking up. The beliefs are just try. It might help. I don't need to feel like it. The consequence is they get up, take a walk, and feel a bit better. Before, the beliefs were as follows. What's the point? I don't have the energy. It won't help. Same situation, different beliefs, and very different outcomes. So it wasn't just the situation. It was what they told themselves about the situation. That made the difference. Now we go further. Let's take the other things from your miracle list and identify the beliefs that would help you do those. Now the client is learning to generate helpful beliefs on purpose. Here's the integration. 1. Use the miracle question to identify adaptive behaviors. 2. Have the client act on one. 3. Ask, what were you telling yourself? 4. Map it onto the ABC model. 5. Expand those beliefs across situations. The miracle question shows clients what life could look like. The ABC model shows them how to think in a way that makes that life possible. When you connect the two, you're not just imagining change, you're teaching clients how to create it. If you find this kind of practical integration helpful, consider joining my YouTube channel. I share tools you can use immediately in therapy, supervision, or coaching. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional mental health treatment. If you are a client, please consult your licensed provider. If you are in crisis, contact emergency services or a crisis hotline in your area.